How to unsend messages on Facebook Messenger in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to open any of the chat conversations, and then you have to long hold any of the chats that you want to remove. And in the bottom of this page, you can see the remove option. So in the most bottom right corner, you can see the remove icon in the bottom. So you have to click on the remove, and it is saying that unsend. So you have to click on the trace icon right beside the unsend. So you have to click on the trace button, and it is saying that message unsend. So you have to click on the OK, and the message is unsend. So that's basically it, that how you can unsend messages on Facebook Messenger in 2021. So you have to firstly long hold any of the messages that you want to remove. You have to click on the remove button in the bottom, and then it is saying that unsend, and then click on the trace button in the with the unsend, and then it is the message is unsent. So that's basically it. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.